So for making a South Indian sambar, in a pressure cooker add 1 cup of Tur Dal. Then we will add some vegetables. Here I am adding drumstick, cluster beans, carrots, red pumpkin. You can add any of your favorite vegetables. Then add hing, turmeric powder, salt and water and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. While this is cooking, please go fast and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Now we will open our pressure cooker. Yes, our vegetables are cooked nicely. Now I'll just mash little bit of vegetables. I like thick type of consistency. Now for making the masala, in a kadai add little bit of oil and I am adding Kashmiri chili powder 2 to 3 teaspoons. Then ready-made Sambar Masala powder. In the description box I will mention the Sambar Masala which I have used. You can check it out. Now just roast these masalas. Now we will add little water so that the masalas don't burn out. Adding our cooked vegetables and lentils. Now we will add our tamarind water. I had taken a small lemon size of tamarind and soaked it in water. Now squeeze out this tamarind and add only the water. Mix it nicely and check salt at this stage. If needed, do add more. Now let it simmer on a low flame for 5 minutes. Now next we will do the tempering part. So in a kadai add coconut oil, mustard seeds, dry red chilies and lots of curry leaves. Next I am adding a small piece of onion finely chopped. You can add shallots if you have because it will give a very nice flavor to your sambar. Adding 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing. Saute it nicely. So here our tempering is also ready. Now let's transfer it to our sambar. So here our favorite South Indian sambar is ready. Please do try it with your favorite idlis and dosas. If you have liked my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.